What's up, guys? Welcome back today. I actually just pulled up at Revolution, and I'm gonna go check on the Fox. Adam was telling me some stuff was on back order, like the gaskets and stuff we needed, but the heads were done. I wanted to show you guys the heads. These were the heads I bought that were on the car previously, and I just got a more like clean port polish, you know, the whole nine. Make sure they're all good to go, because pretty much putting them, it is a brand new motor in the car, so want to make sure everything was good before we started really cranking some power out of it and real running it hard. But let's get inside and let me show you my motor. This is the big block. Put that right there. And these are the gaskets that came in. These are the heads that just got put on. They're trick flows, if anyone was wondering. The spec on them was right over here, if anyone's gonna wonder. 185. And that pretty much just means, Adam was explaining to me, that the holes right over here is pretty much like the medium for pretty much an all motor car. These are the type of heads you want to run, because the bigger the size, like if it went up to like over 200, it would be too much air probably coming in, and when you would probably end up losing a lot of torque. So this is the perfect size for straight all motor builds. And yeah, it actually looks really good. The heads turned out really nice. If you guys can see down in there, let me check out this side, give you guys a look on the inside. Kind of hard to see with the lighting, but they came out super nice and clean, and it is a boss block, but it is a 363. It's got that Ford blue to match. But let me guys show you my engine bay real quick of what I had done to it and what it's going to be going into, because I filled everything up and it's repainted, so you guys just have to see. Let me cover this back up and show you. Alright, so here's the engine bay. And this is all factory panels on the side and everything, but we've had everything, I had everything welded and smoothed and then repainted over. And you can see they did that. The bottom of the hood was all redone, all in here, and I had all this, all these little pieces powder coated, gloss black to match. And I even had these boots pulled out, repainted, and I'm probably gonna order like an engine dress-up kit, so I can get all these bolts that were actually like oversprayed, get them actually all gloss black or matte black. Haven't decided yet. For everyone that's new, these is my interior of the car. Don't hit nobody's car. So I got the Corbos in there. I got a Ford Performance Barco steering wheel. I'm actually gonna change this. It's nice, but I just don't like the feeling of the Alcantara when I'm just normal driving. I don't know why, it just gives me chills. It's really bothering. And then yeah, I got Corbo front and passenger. I still got this like stock seats in the rear, and then I have a white Maximum Motorsports cage, just the back half cage in there with my Corbo straps in there. So, and if anyone was wondering, my wheel setup, they are CCWs. And then back here I got my intake. And I do run a back battery. Oh wow, here's my spray bottle. I did lose that, I was looking for that. And then there is a kill switch back here, so when I am taking this to road courses and stuff, I can, like, if anything happens, I could just immediately kill the car from right there, which is really nice. It's safer, but yeah. And these are factory, these are all original, so if anyone's wondering, you could even see no real major cracking on them. Like, this car was very well taken care of. But yeah, I can't wait to have it back. It's gonna be good. But that was just a little update for you guys, and yeah, catch you outside. So I just left Revolution right now. The car still looks so good sitting there. I really can't wait till I have it back. This week weather, I don't know what's gonna happen with this week's weather. You can never trust the weather, man. The weather's like so up and down. Today, I think tomorrow's supposed to be really nice, but I'm gonna try to get another video out for you guys. We're gonna do, I'm probably gonna try to run someone. I don't want to say what or what kind of car, but it's in the works, just to let you know that. But yeah, so to everyone who's new and who just subbed to the channel, that's my 1992 Foxbody, and hopefully it will be running soon, and I can start taking it to road course events and taking it to Cars and Coffee and stuff, because that's really one of my favorite cars. And it's such a big difference from the Vet. It's like almost the exact opposite. Just got home a little bit ago, and I figured after work and everything, I was like, let's just take the C8 for a nice little ride around the block, see if we can run into anything. I can't see crap. I don't know how other YouTubers drive with this, but I mean, the view on the camera is perfect, way better than the head mount, as you guys could see. But yeah, I figured it's still a little nice out. Tomorrow's gonna be like 92, so I was like, let's just take it for a quick spin and see what we can run into, you know. Guys, this car truly still amazes me every single day. I mean, it's just hard to explain. Some people are just like, I feel like this car gets so much hate. It's either so much hate or so much love, just because the way the car looks, and some people say it ruined the Corvette, but whoever says that, they just need to get in one and drive one, because I have taken C7 owners for a ride in the Vette, and they're like, oh, yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else to mine till I get my C8. I mean, guys, the handling is so, oh man, there's a bunny in the road. Get out. I can't wait till the Fox back. Hope you guys like that little update on the Fox. I mean, it's we had to wait for a lot of parts, and the heads, the machine shop, they took a good bit. I don't blame them. I dropped them off pretty much during racing season, so it was kind of like hit or miss what was going to happen. And yeah, don't mind these roads I live on. I just live in the straight woods, off-roading the Corvette all the time. Mustang week's coming up. I pray to God they don't cancel it, because that would be a big letdown. She's running good today, boys. She's running good. I mean, tomorrow they're calling for like some mid 90s. I don't even know, low 90s. Someone told me it was gonna be like 92, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be bad weather. I mean, it's good weather. I like it hot, don't get me wrong, but driving the car when it's hot and I like to cruise with the windows down, it's not always the best. I mean, we got AC seats in here, but they don't do the job that as well if it's 90 plus degrees out. You guys know what I mean. I still have yet to see another C8 around here. Mine is the only one I've ever seen, as I remember. Yeah, mine is the only one I've ever seen in person and I've actually driven. Some other people actually have Snapchatted me and said they've seen some other ones in the area, and they're like, is that you? And I was like, no, mine don't have that. Like, because one guy in this area, I guess, has the high wing, and then there's like another red one, there's a red one, then there's an orange one, someone said. I'm like, come on, like, guys, we got to meet up. We got to get a C8 photo shoot going on or something. I just want to see some other specs like laid out with all like different options, because I didn't even spec mine out or get to pick what I wanted in the interior, but this is pretty much how I would have got it, to be honest with you. Maybe just the high spoiler and the Magna Ride, and probably would have called it a day. Maybe the clear roof, I don't know. I really would want to sit in one with the clear roof, because I don't know how I feel about that, or how much light it lets through, you know. Everything's gonna vary. I always wondered, whatever country or whatever state you're from, can you comment down in the video? I honestly want to see where everyone's like coming from and watching these videos, because I saw one guy from Australia that commented, and I just think that, I don't know, that kind of made me so happy that my video is like all the way over there and they're watching it. It's just something cool. I don't know, it's a weird feeling. It's like, wow, people are actually enjoying my videos from Australia, and I'm just trying to make the best I can from my little town of Bel Air and my 2020 Corvette. I'm about to roll up to Steve's house, see if he's home from work. No cars over there. Nothing fast over there. And looks like Bel Air's dead like usual. Hey, Steve. Yo, what up, Steve?
What's up, praying mantis looking at?
Where are you?
I just fucking passed you.
Where were you going? I was coming to your house.
Oh, you were?
I'm vlogging. I was trying to surprise you.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Where are you going? Chick-fil-A?
No, I'm moving back around to my house. I just wanted to go to drive because it's so nice out.
I know. I was cruising too, and I was like, you know what? I couldn't find anyone to kick it with, so I was like, let me roll up to Steve, see what he's doing if he got home from work.
I got you. Yeah, no, I just figured I'd, you know, drive around, and I saw you. I was like, oh, hey.
I can't see. I have the GoPro in front of my face.
I saw.
I'm blind right now. I'm driving like an old man.
Oh my god. I saw the freaking hat and I was like, oh boy.
I'm trying to make moves out here, Steve. I'm trying to get the vlogs out for the boys.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
So you coming back around to your house?
Yeah, I'm looping back around.
All right, bet. We'll see you in a minute.
All right. See you there in a sec.
Peace.
Peace.
That's pretty funny, Steve. We saw Steve. Ah, that was funny. Steve's pulling in hot in the Honda Civic Type R. Is that a Type R? No. Can you send it?
I already did.
Rip the e-brake for me. Dude, this car under like midnight, I mean, I don't know, I want to say midnight light, like sun setting light is just, it don't look like a Corvette. Honestly, this is just, it is perfect. Icing on the cake. God. Dude, the hips on this car are just, line it up, bro. Bro, we can hook up 150 shot to that Civic and it might dust me.
I was looking for a 400.
A 400?
Oh yeah.
Just a straight wide open shot?
Just go through the freaking block.
Hit you in the neck?
I want to see it. Oh boy. I was actually really surprised to see you.
Really?
Yeah, I was like...
I thought you were gonna get off at 9. I was like, oh, I wonder what Steve's doing.
No, I was 9 to 3 today.
Oh, good. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
No.
Yeah, man.
I was spotted in the wild. My slick
Always.
Steve.
Always.
Guys, the lighting is perfect here, but unfortunately, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I worked all day today, so I try to make the best I can. I try to get the most videos out as possible I can for you guys. I appreciate all the support. Thank you for returning and watching my videos. Me and Steve are only gonna take this to the top, so make sure you subscribe so you're along for the journey, and peace. We're out.